Understanding private banking and individual banking authorization. In this guide, we will discuss private banking, the process of becoming an individual banker, and the steps to operate a private bank. Private banking involves managing your financial assets and resources independently, often outside the conventional public banking system. Becoming an individual banker requires state authorization to conduct banking activities in a private capacity. To start, it is essential to understand the difference between a private banker and an individual banker. According to Black's Law Dictionary, 4th edition, an individual banker is a person who, after meeting state requirements, receives permission to engage in banking. In contrast, a private banker operates without state-granted privileges. Key definitions and concepts. An individual banker operates under state authority, making their banking activities legally recognized. Private bankers, however, lack this recognition and may face challenges in asserting their operations within the legal framework. By registering as an individual banker, you can transfer your assets, vehicles, homes, personal property, into your private bank. Operate independently of commercial banking regulations. Protect your assets under the status of a private bank. Steps to establish a private bank. Research state requirements. Contact your state Secretary of State or Banking Division. Request information on how to register as an individual banker and establish a private bank. 2. Obtain state authorization. Submit the required forms to gain recognition as an individual banker. Acquire a registration number that confirms your private banking status. 3. Transfer assets to your private bank. Move ownership of personal property, such as vehicles and real estate, into your private bank. Obtain private identification, such as non-commercial driver's licenses and vehicle registrations, under your private bank's name. 4. Operate independently. Use your private bank to manage financial activities for yourself and your family. Avoid integrating with public banking systems or utilizing services that involve usury. Practical benefits. Operating as an individual banker provides several advantages. For example, you can label your assets as private property, limiting public authorities' jurisdiction. You maintain full control over financial transactions without relying on external entities. Your assets, when registered correctly, are protected from unnecessary taxation or claims. Cautions and considerations. While the process offers financial independence, it also requires careful compliance with state regulations. Ensure all forms and registrations are correctly completed. You thoroughly understand the implications of private banking. You consult additional resources or professionals if needed.